Zhejiang Alven Intelligent Manufacturing Company, Jiading Screws, is one of China's largest manufacturers for granulation screws and bellows. This company focuses on customizing screws and bellows for recycling and granulating various types of plastic waste. Today, let's explore three of Alven's flagship products. This 50mm counter-rotating twin-screw barrel adopts a unique low-torque design, achieving the groundbreaking triple super performance of ultra-low load, high output, and long service life. Whether handling dry or wet film processing, rigid material granulation, or complex operating conditions, it delivers stable operation and ensures reliable performance for your production line. The squeezer screw and barrel, a patent product of Alven, is specifically engineered for dewatering and pelletizing soft plastics after washing. It is widely used in processing PP, PE, OPP, PET films, woven bags, bound bags, waste fibers, and similar materials. It is available in standard sizes 250, 300, 320, 350, 380, 420, 450, with production capacities ranging from 300 kilograms to 2,000 kilograms per hour. Alven also offers conical twin screws extruders, which are primarily used for PVC profile extrusion. Compared to parallel twin screw extruders, these conical models feature higher load-bearing capacity, greater compression ratios, and enhanced suitability for high-load production environments. Alven also have single screws for recycling variety of plastic waste for multi-purpose uses. They also provide injection molding screws and various single screw configurations to meet diverse industrial needs. From airbag fabrics to waste fishing nets, from film washing to industrial solid waste processing, Alven's technology have served hundreds of companies worldwide. Our solutions empower clients to achieve high efficiency, high quality recycling, and pelletizing. Focusing on intelligent and modular design of screws and barrels, Alven is driving the industry toward high-performance manufacturing and sustainable development, ensuring resource efficiency and reduced environmental impact across diverse recycling applications.
Several new practical screw barrels developed by the company are widely used in various fields such as plastic sheets, plastic pipes, cast films, high-speed blow films, wires and cables, and plastic recycling granulation. In particular, it leads the domestic industry in EVA or POE photovoltaic film, extrusion sheet, cast film, lamination, vented extrusion single screw, and recycled plastic single and twin screw extrusion granulation, earning unanimous praise within the industry. Relying on continuous business growth, the company has introduced more than 100 advanced processing equipment from both domestic and international sources. This includes CNC machining centers, CNC screw milling machines, CNC lathes, large double barrel specialized machines, CNC boring machines, and other automated equipment. The company also owns a proprietary nitrating workshop, 5 high-quality nitrating furnaces, and 3 quenching furnaces. And fully computer-controlled, it strictly enforces quality control processes to ensure superior product quality. Through rigorous quality checks and continuous optimization, the company guarantees customers' trust with exceptional product quality. In recent years, the company has actively collaborated with well-known domestic universities to improve screw processing technologies, special high-wear-resistant treatments such as BDA laser alloy welding and tungsten carbide alloy coating inside barrel bores, significantly enhance screw wear resistance and lifespan.